What's up, YouTube? It's Artisan MC, and I'm just back from seeing Birds of Prey, and I can say this. This is not going to be any spoilers or anything like that, but I would say that I haven't heard people this quiet after a movie since seeing The Quiet Place. Like, for real. So, there was some stuff that was interesting in it that was cool for the character in a sense because it made some things unique. And what I'm talking about is at least the fight scenes and some of the stuff that she actually does. It looks like that Margot Robbie actually did her own stunts for the most part. So that's interesting. And the fact that the fight scene, she's not overpowering people, but using her body and her mass to do things, which is okay. That makes more sense. But it wasn't a great movie. It wasn't a full-on film fest that you would think. Um, a lot of guys do get their ass kicked, but that's the nature of the movie. Um, Not a spoiler. I was very unhappy with how they did Cassandra Cain because she is a badass in the comic books, and I really like Cassandra Cain. But yeah, it was a movie. If they get a sequel out of that, I would be surprised. I would really be surprised. Um, were some funny parts, but for the most part, I just watched it. I watched it, and things hit me, things didn't hit me. It was a small audience, and nobody was laughing until it was over. That's when you heard one person laugh, and I think it was just like a what the fuck moment. So anyway, that's it. If you want to check it out, definitely go see it. Maybe it's something in there that you like. I think they pulled more heavily on the Harley Quinn comic, which I don't read. But it won't take a minute to see that stuff. But that's it for me. It was just a movie. I saw it. It's over. On to the next thing. So that's it. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm going to sleep. Maybe I can have a dream that's better. See you guys next time. Peace.